Christmas house tour. Hey Tocas, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to say you should check out all my socials linked below. I finally finished my house tour last night, so today I'll be doing a house tour for you guys. I love my Christmas house. It is a lot more modern than you guys are probably used to. But yeah, also this video is a lot longer than my other house tours because I kind of sat and talked about each room. But I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's get started. Here is like the entrance area, patio, whatever you want to call it. This area, the filter kind of like takes out the colors of the house, but there's a lot more colors than like it looks like because of the filter. The go is from the camping center, I believe, and everything else is from PAX. Oh, and also the like basket for the quote-unquote mailbox, that is from the Huss store. This patio area is very basic. There's not a lot going on. I wanted it to look simple because it's like the entrance area. So yeah, let's just move on to this area. Basically, in the entrance area, we have stuff like just like a table with some random stuff. That stuff is all from the house packs. And then in this room, I changed it. Normally it's like a study room. And this time it's just a very simple like Christmas room with a fireplace and a TV. I like it. It's simple, but I think that it's simple enough that it's cute. Over here, the pig plant, the photos, all the decor and stuff besides like the actual furniture part is all from the Huss store. And then the house, the plant, the shelf, that is all from PAX. And then on the other side, we also have just like a plain plant from one of the packs. I always like do one side that's busy and then the other side that's not. Also, my purse is not here, so ignore that. Here we have the kitchen. There is a lot going on in the kitchen. The dog is from one of the like free gifts. Most of the stuff is from house packs. The popcorn though, I believe I got from somewhere, probably the Spot Place. The ornaments came in the festive furniture pack, and the thing that's on the tray besides the ornaments, like that weird like wreath green thing, I don't know what to call it, well that is from the gifts. And then we move along, and here we're at the table. The Santa hat is actually from like a free gift with the dog. So it is like everything else, like everything on that platter is actually from the free gifts. So that's kind of cool. And then we move along, and you'll see there's a thermos, and that has a snowflake on it. That is from the Spa Place as well. The candles, I believe, are from a free gift. The Christmas plant is just from the like stuff, and the Santa thing is from from the free gifts. Then in the bathroom, everything, I believe, besides the toothbrush holder. The toothbrush holder is from the cabin, by the way. That is all from house packs. Various house packs, not one or anything, so otherwise I would tell you, but there's a lot of house packs here. And then we have my bedroom, which the tray is from the cabin. I think that's it. I think that's the only thing that's not. There's a lot of festive furniture pack in here, but there's some like other furniture packs, and the room is very simple because I feel like there's too much going on in the room always. And so yeah, also I wish I added more heaters to the house. I don't know why I didn't, but there's not enough heaters, I feel like. Upstairs, all of the snowballs, all of the snowman, the white ferret, you'll see in a second, are all from the mountain cabin. That daisy thing you see is from the camping place. This area is very, there's not a lot going on, so I did a couch that was out there. I chose the purple plants, I chose the daisy, things that didn't make sense, but are quote-unquote aesthetic to players who play Toca, I added. There's a reef, so it's Christmassy. And I also painted the floor white, because I always get comments on that, like, how'd you get the floor white? I painted it white, because, like, there's an icon. If you know, you know. So, there's nothing on that table. I don't know why, I'm sorry. I thought there was. Will I re-screen record this video? No. So, yeah. Anyway, the green in the background is on both levels. I thought that would be fun to switch it up, because I've never done that before. And I wanted a really different house because this is my comeback video. I mean, you know, my comeback house tour. So some of the ornaments are from the free gifts, some are not. The elf is from the mountain cabin in like that tree compartment. The nutcracker, it's either from the free gifts or from the festive furniture section. The dog is from the free gifts. The white plant and that like gray pot on the shelf, those are from the mountain cabin. The wood is also from the mountain cabin. The fireplace CD is from like one of the houses in the winter section. Yeah, and again, there's a heater. This area is very simple and very Christmassy. It's not my favorite area in the world, I'll admit it, but it definitely does the job, and Christmas is only a month long, so. Ryland's bedroom actually has a Christmas wallpaper. This room is very simple. Almost everything is from PAX besides the dog. The dog, or the French Bulldog, whatever you want to call it, is from the pet park. Then we have Oakley's bedroom, which I believe there's a lot going on that's not from the house pack. The dog is from the vet. The cushion underneath her, I believe, is from the pack. The magazines you can get anywhere. The Hello Mom and like the photo of her, I forgot what it's called, but the black and white photo of her, those are from the hospital. The diapers are from the mall. Then we have Oakley's bedroom, which the dog is from the free gifts. The tree, I believe, is from the festive furniture pack. If it's not, it is from the free gifts. Okay guys, so that was my house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I explained where everything is, but if you still have any comments, please let me know and I'll try to answer them. Shout out goes to the person on the screen. I love her profile picture. I think it's very creative. I am so happy to be back. Like, I find it so much fun to film videos, which before I took a break, I lost that spark, so I'm glad I got that back. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye!